In the underworld of mosses and lichens, microscopic creatures known as tardigrades, or water bears, reign supreme. Although tiny, they are champions of durability, able to survive conditions that would obliterate most life forms. Tardigrades thrive in environments ranging from the frozen tundra to boiling hot springs, and can even endure the vacuum of space. Their secret weapon lies in their ability to enter a state called cryptobiosis, effectively halting biological processes to withstand extreme conditions like desiccation, radiation, and intense pressure for years. Despite their minuscule size, tardigrades are crucial in microecosystems, playing a pivotal role in nutrient cycling. However, environmental changes threaten their habitats, urging scientists to study and preserve these creatures. Their remarkable resilience continues to inspire research into biotechnology and astrobiology, offering insights into life's potential beyond Earth.